guys, good morning. Welcome to my Decorate With Me video. Today I'm going to be decorating our tree that's upstairs. This is the same tree I've been talking about in other videos that I'm so excited to start decorating. It's got the emerald green, champagne gold, gold vintage bells, all that fun stuff. I'm so excited to start decorating today. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to work in a certain order. First of all, if there's any garlands you want to add to your tree, we're going to wrap those around that first. We'll work from the top of the tree to the bottom of the tree. And with this, I'm just going to let it kind of sit on the top of the branches. These are two different garlands, but that's okay. Same color, it's not gonna matter. No one's gonna notice but you, and I think that looks nice. After the garland, we're gonna go in with all the picks and do the tree topper. So I'll be layering them from tallest to shortest on the tree topper. I've got 4 of these stems that are really tall. Those are gonna go right in the middle. And then from then on, I'll build out and go shorter and shorter. And you'll see my other video of tree toppers, and I will kind of give you more of an explanation on how to do everything. Now we'll go in with the bows and ribbon. I also have a video telling you how to make these bows in case you want to know how to. We're just going to stick that right in there. Next, I'll add the picks in the tree. I'm gonna do the same thing and go from tallest to shortest. And notice how I'm gonna put one here, I'll put one there, I'll put one here. I won't put them in one straight line or clumped together. With these picks, same ones I put up top, I'm gonna just layer these together here. You could wire it if you wanted. I'm just gonna layer them together and then just stick them in the tree. Next, I'll be going in with the extra large ornaments. And like I'd mentioned earlier, all of these ornaments are linked on my video above and my haul video. Next, I'm going to add these bells, but first I'm going to wire them so I can wire it to the tree. These green ones here are kind of heavy, so I just added some wire to the hooks. Go in with the finishing touches and add my little bead garlands. And here's another one of the beaded garlands. I got this from coming home. I'm gonna actually look on Amazon and see if I can find all these pieces, and then I'm thinking about doing a video to show you guys how to make them. I think they're super pretty and elegant looking. And there we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It took me a couple hours to do this tree, but I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love all of the colors together. I hope this video gave you some inspiration for your decor for your house. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified when we have more videos out. We still have a lot more Christmas videos coming out. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.